We've just finished off this Toyota Supra Mark IV. This was a non-turbo automatic, so we converted it with one of our Whifbitz turbo kits. This car actually had a totally knackered engine, so we ended up fitting a brand new GTE, which is the turbo bottom end from Toyota, and then rebuilt the standard cylinder head. It's effectively got a brand new engine. So this engine is capable of taking 700, 750 horsepower around that sort of mark all day long. So being an automatic, this has still got the original non-turbo 4-speed automatic. They're maxed out at 400 horsepower. So this is running just below that, about 380 horsepower. But it's got the potential with this turbo kit to run about 500 horsepower. So all it needs is an upgraded gearbox, like one of our ZF 8-speed conversions, which will completely transform this car so we can turn the power up with no limitations. Our turbo kit comes with a 60mm Borg-Warner turbo, a Whifbitz log manifold, so the whole kit comes complete with everything you need. It comes with a downpipe, mid-pipe, all the oil lines, oil feed, oil return, air filter pipe, all silicone hoses, Canyon air filter, a 4-inch thick intercooler, and all polished pipework to go with it. So to go with the turbo kit, it needs a set of injectors, because the standard injectors max out about 300 horsepower. So we fit a set of FIC fuel injector clinic 650cc injectors to this one, along with a Walbro 255 LPH fuel pump. It's all being controlled by a Link Storm ECU. So this is piggybacked off the standard ECU, so we keep the standard ECU there to control the gearbox, and the Link Storm ECU then controls the engine. We also fitted one of our Whifbitz 3-inch exhaust systems as well, with a blue tip and a Powerhouse Racing auto gearbox cooler to try and keep the gearbox as cool as possible. I'll do a quick video after this just to show you how it performs on the dyno. If you'd like to see more information on this turbo kit, click on the pop-up above, and if you like your Supra tuned or maintained or restored, please get in touch.